It's another beautiful day here in Jamaica, and we're going for a drive out to Bull Bay. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
My people, my people, my people, my people. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Just I say, yo, thanks for joining, thanks for viewing this video, thanks for clicking on this video. You know the thing go. Big up them garbage man up on the truck back. Watch them a gonna work, people. Big them up, big them up. Yeah, man. Alright, my people, right now currently in our vicinity at Raytown. Yeah, you know Raytown Fishing Village? That's how we're there right now, people. You understand? Yeah. And we are making way right now, people. We are going out of Bull Bay. There's a bus full of soldiers that. I don't know where they're going, but they're going somewhere. Yeah. So we are going out of Bull Bay, people. Right now we're on Michael Manley Highway or Michael Manley Boulevard. I think Michael Manley Highway, you know. Yeah. Over that scheme over here, son, named Manley Meadows. Yeah. Enough people know that scheme there, you understand? Yeah, man. So we are making way out to the east, people. Sorry about the sunlight, you know, but it's a morning drive and we are heading east, and you know the sun rising at the east, so it's like we are heading into the sun, so you know it got people, yeah. But just want to shout out all of the new viewers them right now, people. The new subscriber them, big up on yourself, yo, big up on yourself. Thanks for joining the family. You don't know, 876 by birth. Over here, so those positive vibes. You get what me I say? Yeah, positive vibes. You're free for comment and do whatever you want, but you just need to keep it respectful. Yeah, understand? Yeah, my people. Yeah, you get me? Yeah, man. But a positive vibration over here, so man. Yes, a channel with the good vibes. Yeah. The good vibes. You understand? Yeah, my people. And right now, me subscriber them were there from long time. We have some day one subscriber. Some people were there from long time. I just want to say, yo, big up on yourself. You get me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. I don't know anything go already, man. Yeah, man, me appreciate you forward on the thing and they show the support and thing. You get me? Yeah. I love it. Day in the morning, as I must have a full of soldier drive past me. Yeah. Soldier packing out like passengers. I'll stand up and a hold on. Yeah, man, soldier packing out like passenger, man. Them stand up and all a hold on. I couldn't see them. See there? Yeah, man. So all military personnel, big up on yourself, yeah? Yeah. So right now we're upon Sir Florizel Glasspole Highway. Over here so on my left where you see them silo there, that's actually the Jamaica flour mill, yeah? Yeah, man, Jamaica flour mill, people. don't know if I know that them store the flower them. But yeah. I know out there East Kingston, alright? Yeah, so for all who watching and don't know, East Kingston this. So you get an idea where we are going. People ever fly out regular, I don't know what the road they want to take when they go to Man International Airport, right? Yeah. The frequent flyer them. And the people ever fly out and no fly back in. Yeah. Big up on yourself still, you know. Time to time I see a lot of you comment and, you know, I say, yo, it's been years now since you don't come at Jamaica and thing. Big up. But if you take a one trip come a yard still one at a time them, yeah? As me saying enough of my video them, Jamaica nice. Yeah. Yesterday I see somebody, well I yesterday I respond to one comment. One of my regular, one of my subscriber them to regular always a comment to CV, big up yourself. I said to me say, you know, what make Jamaica nice? Why me say Jamaica nice? I mean, and the person did state say, they're not saying Jamaica nice, you get me? Yeah, them just say Jamaica nice, but them just ask me. So me I tell them say, yo listen, the vibe, the weather, the culture, the ambience, the people them, yo, me I don't know what they go already as Jamaican. Have one little something, you get me? What you talk about, man? Jamaica nice, man. I want to them, man. You see me? But as I say, personally, I've been up here this stuff and they just say, yo, you know, just tell them some things. I guess they probably want a reminder. CVs, a reminder, they do what? But yeah, man, place nice, man. Place nice, people. I would just pass the cement factory, you know. I would just say you have to look at whole heap of heavy duty vehicle and thing. You know, traverse out there and thing. Yeah, whole heap of big truck. You know? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, Jamaica nice, man. The food, everything, people, everything. Alright, so we are approach Harbour View roundabout, yeah? Yeah, man, we approach Harbour View community, people. And as I say, people let me fly out and you know say out there say you take me near go to airport. Yeah. You know airport road now would have go straight round about it to the to right. Yeah. Out there say Harbour View left there say you can go up in the Harbour View community. Airport would have go right round the roundabout. Yeah, but we're heading to Bull Bay. Alright? Yeah. And even though it's an early morning rush hour drive, rush hour traffic thing, you don't really see much traffic like that, to tell you the truth, you know? It's a pretty smooth morning. You're not gonna lie to you, know. Smooth drive. Yeah? Alright, so you know say the party now out of the island here, so people you know say endless road, right? Yeah. Endless road work going on out here, people. So you know when we are travel out there, so we're not going to see heavy duty vehicle, all of them things there, you know, road dig up, whole heap of them little things there take place, you know. And that would they have for too. Because that want to see, you know, want to see progress on the road. Yeah. Want to see the progress on the road, my people. You understand? Out of them side here to them have like them have whole heap of quarry. You know where people where them do mining and them little thing there. Yeah. They have enough of them places out there. So out here dusty too, you know, people. Out here dusty too. You can see look at traffic up on the right hand side head into Kingston. Well, them you saw Kingston still cause or St. Andrew one, but traffic are heading because you know the truck them and so you know when you travel them route to you normally see this. You know, pile up a traffic car, you buck up on 2 truck and thing. Yeah. So I saw it set up too. You have to expect them thing there when you're up on them road there. When you have a country too regularly. Yeah. It's free flowing, it moves slow but it's free flowing. And again people, I apologize if the sunlight, you know, the glare from the sun really make the video quality poor. I apologize, you get me? As me I say, the sun that can't beat it. Yeah. Man, people, so we actually there in our Bull Bay community still, you know. Yeah. Now, as you know, Bull Bay, parts of the Bull Bay community stretch go over in a St. Thomas too. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, my people, so big up yourself if you come from Bull Bay. Yeah, if you're from Bull Bay, big up yourself. You understand? lot of dust, people. Not sure if the camera lens will pick it up, but a whole heap of dust out here, so. And every time I make them drive out, I make a drive out of sun, and suppose it's tired for hear me I say this. And some strange reason the camera lens never really show it like that. I mean, it always have one little dull look, one greyish look still. But it's not yet now I really see. But like looking out, you must have see them dust here now. I don't know. When I edit, I go check. But these are some serious dust, these people. Yeah. And chuck up ahead of me and it a kick up a storm. It's a dust bowl. Yeah, people. But yeah, man, I saw it set out there, so people. I saw it set up out there, so. It's very dusty. Whenever I say the residents of them place, Bulby, St. Thomas, me I say, yo, you know, full of patience and you know, have whole heap of tolerance because, boy, people, me don't know. Me have to probably find somewhere else to go live. Yeah, now I say me I run a left place, but I have to find somewhere else to live until the dust stop, you know? Yeah, till the road work completed. So I turn on the AC little so you hear that little noise there. Turn it down. Roll along the window back a little bit. Yeah, people, that's a bus we run from downtown Kingston to Bulby. Yeah. Alright, people, so we gone over now in the parish of St. Thomas, alright, and we soon complete the whole Bulby community. Yeah, we almost done it. We almost done it, people. Well, this church, because we don't really go up in our community still. We just step on the main road, you know. But yeah. And again, I have to shout out my subscriber them. Again, I have to shout to no out. Yeah. I'm about to do a live video soon, you know. I don't know if when I post that video, I might do the live already or I don't do it yet. I don't know. But either way, it's going to be, you know, a series of live. Because I'm going to do some live too as well. So it's not going to just be one and move, you know. Yeah. So I appreciate you know people. And I think this is where I'm going to close off the video. Yeah. So give thanks for the support. Thanks for clicking like on the video. Thanks for even clicking the video and watching the video, you know. Yeah, me appreciate you very, very, very much. So, big up on yourself, my people. You don't know a thing got 876 by birth, you know. Yeah, man. Bless up.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.